Chickens versus turkeys. Dang it! No! Hey! No! As much. Why you steal our joy? I ain't got no more. Got no more, baby. Ain't got no more, baby. Come on, little bit. There you go. One apple versus hundreds of chickens. There can only be one. Look at him jumping up there eating my fruits. Jumping up there eating all my good fruits. That quail poop really brings out my fruit trees. Alright y'all, thanks for watching. This is Havens Homestead. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. If you don't know, now you know. This is Rob Rossi, and this is the place to be. Havens Homestead! Where a freak can be a freak. Woo, woo. Get out of here. Please like and subscribe. It means a whole lot. We're trying to build up this channel and make it something beautiful. We do new videos daily. Every morning I release these guys, and every night I put them up. And I'm doing a lot of homestead stuff in between. There's always something new in Havens Homestead. I'm building this thing up, man. Come with us, get left, get behind. Come with us, get left behind. Peace.
This is the Steve Irwin, an anti-whale boat collided